When people hear I'm part of the Mercedes-Benz Club of America, they often think it's just car talk. Yes, we discuss horsepower and paint jobs. Yet, there's more to it. This community is about people, history, and a passion that unifies generations. Joining a classic car club means finding like-minded friends. We value craftsmanship and appreciate timeless design. It's a space where passion meets purpose. Restoring classic cars takes time and patience. It involves research, hard work, and a commitment to detail. Each vintage Mercedes or Jaguar has a story. In our club, we embrace this mindset. People track down rare parts or hand-stitch upholstery, focusing on getting it done right. Being in this club means learning from others. Veterans of restoration share their knowledge generously. At events, I've gained insights on mechanical tips and the history behind models. These cars are more than machines. They embody a unique era. Club events truly bring us together. From Sunday cruises to national meets, hearing those engines roar is electrifying. Families bond, kids explore cars, and friendships flourish over shared stories. These gatherings often support charities, making our passion purposeful. In today's fast-paced world, this classic car community provides connection. It's a reminder that real friendships thrive through shared passions. This club feels like home. It inspires me, honors craftsmanship, and nurtures lifelong friendships. If you love old cars or fostering community, I urge you to find a local classic car club. You might start for the cars, but you'll stay for the culture.